Hey guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you the most common problem on toilet leaks, and that's between the tank and the bowl, which occurs right around here. So stay tuned. So the very first thing you need to do is turn off the water source. Now you're going to have remaining water that's left in the tank. What you need to do is flush all that water out. Now you can use a sponge or a turkey baster or anything to get rid of that remaining water in here, because we're gonna be taking out these bolts right there, and as you can see, it is very rusted, and that's what's causing the leak. Look at that rust. And the rubber gasket is already worn and tearing apart, and the bolt is already rusted. So since I don't have a turkey baster or I don't have a sponge, I'm just gonna use some towels and dry off the water. Make sure all the water is out. So there you go. The tank is fully empty. I'm just gonna throw this rag away. We don't need it. Now we're ready to take out the bolts. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go look underneath the bowl right here, and you're gonna see the bolt right there. So you're gonna be unscrewing that, and the same thing on the other side. So now with your ratchet, unscrew that bolt. There you go. Now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. If you look right here, we can already tell where the leak was coming from. It was coming off from this bolt right here. You can see where the water mark is actually flowing from. This is the reason why we're changing out the bolts with new hardwares and new washers and new gaskets. So that's where the leak was coming from, and you could already see the rust around that nut and bolt, and also you could see the rust from the top. I'm going to use the ratchet with a flathead screwdriver, so I'm going to be putting the flathead screwdriver at the top to stop the turn, and turn it with the ratchet at the same time. Got it out. See all the rust? So check it out. We have both bolts now removed. Now disconnect the supply water from the tank. So be prepared, there's going to be water that might come out of this hose. See that? Now we can take out the tank. So since I got the tank off, we might as well change out the tank gasket. So to change out this whole nuts and bolts and the gasket, what I'm using is this kit that I bought from Amazon. So they're fairly cheap, $6. Check out the link down below where you can buy this kit. It comes with a gasket and all the hardware you need to fix this leak. So now just pop off the gasket, easy. Wipe the ring around it. Now take your new gasket. And just place it on top. Just like that. So before you install the tank to the bowl, you want to clean out around the base. So take your disinfectant and clean around that area. So now after you cleaned around the ring right there, we can now place back the tank. So now take your hardware and set it up. So you have your bolt, grab your washer, get your gasket sealer, right there. Do the same thing for the other side. Just like that, and then put this on each side. So quick tip guys, before you put this on, make sure that the surface around here is clean and does not have any type of debris, otherwise you're gonna have another leak. Okay, so make sure the surface around here is fully cleaned to prevent any further leaks. Put this through, there's one, and then do the same thing for the other side, just like that. Now go underneath and install the rubber gasket through here, just like that. Now insert the metal washer. Now take your ratchet and tighten it down. Just like that. Now do the same thing on the other side. So now that we got the tank mounted, it's time to put back the water supply. So hook it back up. Now let's turn the water source on and check if it's still leaking. So now I don't see any more leaks. I don't see a leak between the tank and the bowl. Now let's check the other side. No leak. No leak between the tank and bowl. There's the new bolt sitting nice and pretty. So check out the old versus the new. No more rust. So guys, I hope you found this video very helpful on how to fix your leak if you have a leak between your bowl and your tank. With the materials I used, check the link down below. Very easy to do, took me less than an hour to do. Very easy. Make sure you wear your gloves because it gets dirty. If you found it helpful, hit that like button and please support the channel and press the subscribe button so you can always be in tune on the many fixes that I do around this house. So till then, see you guys on the next video. Have a good day.